dinner and a movie.
You trying to get in these Calvin Kleins?
Trying to get in your what?
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Okay guys, so today, you know, it's another vlog, and it is date night. It is a Tuesday at 6:30 something. Hey.
Oh wow.
Hey.
You wanna pop out? Sign. Ooh, the twist on it.
The twist out. Show them the twist out, babe. The twist out. Date night twist out. Ooh, length, health.
What can I really say?
Silly. So yes, so we're about to go out on a date to this pool bar patio, and it's Tuesday night and they have dinner and a movie. So that's what we're gonna do today, you know, be
Dinner
real
and a movie?
sexy. Dinner and a movie.
You trying to get in these Calvin Kleins?
Trying to get in your what? In your Calvin Klein? Okay, I might just. Okay, let's go. So real quick, I want to show y'all my outfit. So we're rocking this dress that I got from Shein. It's in one of my hauls, and we got the Louis Vuitton, some gold accessory, this hair that I just did a review on from Julia's hair, and then we got some plain brown heels with the anklet, you know, gotta get it popping. And yeah, let's get it. We gotta go so we don't be late. I'm on time today. Simba, aren't you proud of me? On time, babe. On time.
Just gotta let you book the dates.
They say when I book the dates, I'm on time.
Look, this is only a one-time thing, so I guess there's a first time for everything.
Whatever, Simba. Sometimes I've been early before. You can't tell me
when I lie about the reservation time.
You lie about the reservation? Whatever. Okay, y'all, let's go. So we are at Cabana Pool Bar and Patio, and we are here. Say hi, baby.
What it do? What happened? You want me to say something else?
No. So we're just waiting for our waiter to get some drink. You know what you're drinking? We didn't even look at the menu.
I'm drinking water.
You drinking water?
Yes, a healthy young man.
Water my ass. Unless the water got some wine in it. But yeah, this is nice. If you're in Toronto, just the Cabana Patio. And we got the CN Tower over there. But more than anything, we're just praying that it doesn't rain. It's a little bit chilly in the air, but we're surviving. Right, baby? So, yeah. So we got some calamari here. And my drink is a Cabana, what is it called? Cabana Frozen. And then what you got, baby? Back to start.
Wings.
Simba got some wings to start. Some wings. Wings. We are at the entertainment section of the evening. We got a movie playing and we can't see shit. So they're showing a 007 movie, but where we're seated, we can't see. Hey babe, oh my god, the Simba, if we were at the same seat that we stayed,
yes,
so Simba let us change seats because...
Are you lying on me?
he wanted us to sit under something just in case it rained, because the original seats that we had were like out in the open. It was out here, and he was like, Simba, didn't you say it, like just in case it rained, let's move seats. And now if we were at our original seat, we would have seen the movie. So I think it's your fault. So I got a dynamite sushi going. And babe, don't shit on the sushi, please.
I don't need to shit on it. I didn't look like
And Sangri and Simba got a mojito. Is that yours? Is that yours, baby?
Huh?
Is that yours?
No, I want a burger.
Oh, you got a burger? Oh. Yeah, I love a well-seasoned food, but the shit, everything that we've had so far has been extremely salty, bro. The sushi salty. I've never had sushi this salty before. I'm trying for some spicy meal. My blood pressure down. We literally have to be bending to see this movie. Hey y'all, so it is a Thursday afternoon. We left you at date night on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I just decided to just chill and relax without vlogging, doing any video. I just needed a day of relaxation, so I stayed in yesterday and did absolutely nothing. Okay, so today I am heading to an appointment. I have a sugaring, you know, sugar wax, get the kitty cat all the way together, let it say real purr. Got the kitty saying purr today. So I have a sugar wax, and I haven't done sugaring in so freaking long. I know it's about to be painful. I don't got no numbing cream or nothing, so I'ma just have to bite my lip and take it like a G. I gotta go take it like a G because girl, yeah, it's been a minute since I got a sugaring, but I'm super excited because things are finally reopening and I'm getting back to my normal self. I am absolutely late for my sugar appointment, so I'm gonna see if I could call them and set it back to about 15 to 20 minutes because I am that late. I did not time myself properly at all. But yes, I'm gonna take you with me on my appointment. I'm not gonna put the camera in the room because I'm not about to let y'all see my face when Miss Thang is ripping the pubics. Okay, we are not doing that today. I'm gonna just take you there, show you guys what the salon looks like, and that's basically it. I'm gonna catch in or check back in with y'all before and after the appointment, but not during the appointment because yeah, we're not doing that. So let me stop rambling with y'all, call these people, tell them my ass is late, and then see what can happen. Y'all probably saying, Chev, you were late, but you had time to do a little something to your face. I'm going out in these streets. I need to look presentable. You feel me? Okay, so let's go. Let me call these people. Oh, I nearly fell down the fucking stairs. Good grievance. Excuse my language. Oh my god. I curse like a sailor sometimes, and I'm trying to change that. Excuse me, y'all. So let me show y'all the outfit for the day. Really not that big of a deal, so we'll keep it real cute, you know. I love these joggers because it makes my tummy look flat, you know. Like, girl, what? Like, I work out and got the booty, the titties looking real juicy in this top from Zara. The joggers, I got it from the spa place that gave joggers, so I still have those. And I'm gonna put on a black sandals and my telfie, the black telfie, and that is basically it. This wig I've had for a minute. You guys know I don't keep wigs long, but I've had this wig for so freaking long. But yeah, okay, yeah, let's go. Girl is late. Guys, it hasn't even been 10 minutes yet, but I was in my Uber on my way to my appointment, so I made the call to say, you know, I had a little meeting that ran overtime, so I need to push my appointment back by at least 20-30 minutes. And they said they couldn't push me right back to 30 minutes because they have an appointment right after me. So my appointment got pushed back to 7:30 this evening, and it's like not even 2 o'clock yet. So I got my face on, I'm here. So I think I'm gonna do a try on haul while I am home doing nothing. So I'm gonna do a try on haul. I have a Fashion Nova try on haul that I've been supposed to do forever. So I'm gonna do that since I already got face on. I think I'm gonna change the wig. I don't know if I want to do it in this wig, and I might add a little bit more color to my face. This was just a basic look to go to the appointment. I was gonna go to the mall as well today because I have some stuff to return to Zara, but I don't feel like going to the mall. I really don't feel like doing that today. So we're gonna scrap the mall. I'm gonna do a try on haul, and I got a couple of packages that I need to open, some PR boxes and whatever, so we can do that and see what Thursday brings us, see what today is. So I guess I'm gonna stop pussyfooting and get the moving. I need to do better in life, or better with time, because I am totally terrible when it comes to time. I'm gonna try to do better, okay? I'm gonna try to do better. I'm trying to like get this camera to angle a certain way. I can't find my other handheld tripod thingamajig, and I'm using a very tiny one, so I'm trying to angle the camera where you guys could see me. I'm just trying to find natural lighting for you guys because it has been so bleaky in Toronto. Like, nowhere in the house has good lighting. It's so ugly. So anyways, y'all, so I got this box of goodies from Urban Decay that I'm supposed to do a video for. I love makeup PR because, you know, it's fun and stuff. You guys know I mostly do like hair videos, and then sometimes I'll drop a 1 and 2 makeup look in there. Because honestly, I'm not the most confident when it comes to my makeup looks for videos. So I kind of shy away from those type of videos because I'm like, is it really that good? So anyways, I have a bunch of stuff from them. We got their Naked 3 Urban Decay mini palette, and I'm supposed to create some eye looks from that. Long-lasting makeup setting spray. Ooh, we got the whole thing in here. We got some lip pencil. You know I love a good lip liner. Eyeshadow primer. So we're gonna do a full face. I got some lipstick, rouge. So this is definitely red. Is it? Back Talk Comfort Matte. With this color right here, it might be a nude instead of like a red. It's more nude. I'm assuming. What is this? We got a brush. I think it's the eyeshadow brush. We got another lip. So we're definitely doing nude lips. So we're doing the Naked collection. We got another lip liner. I like dark lip liners, so I hope they're dark. We got a new mascara. I've been needing a new mascara, so thank God for that. We got an eye pencil. We got 2 eye pencils. Is it the same color? Waterproof, long-lasting. Oh, one is black and one is brown. Okay, great. So that is for our Urban Decay unboxing. I need to do that video. Probably sometime. Maybe I'll try it this weekend, depending how I'm feeling. I'm not loving my skin right now. I have a couple of breakouts. So we got skincare from Sephora. I went to Sephora yesterday, and this is the truth. I love this so much. It's a True Juice Daily Cleanser by, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this because I know I'm gonna botch the name so bad. But this cleanser right here, and it's citrus, orange, cleanses and removes makeup. Does it leave my skin dry? It kind of does leave my skin a little bit dry, but obviously afterwards use toner, serum, all that good stuff, and you should be fine. So I got that. I got the Dermalogica exfoliator. I've seen a lot of people use this, so I'm gonna try it. So I just get the travel size because in store and Sephora they didn't have like the actual regular size. I also got the Ordinary Direct Acid. This is a toning solution, so I wanted something for like hyperpigmentation and even up my skin tone. And the girl in Sephora recommended this, so I'm gonna see how it works. If it doesn't work in 3 weeks, I'm gonna take it back, half bottle or not. Okay? Because you promised me that it will work. I'm expecting it to work. I got some sunscreen. This is called the Unseen sunscreen from Super Goop. Did I pronounce that right? I don't know, child. I might be butchering it. So I got this sunscreen because I need to start wearing sunscreen. Your girl don't wear sunscreen. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Excuse me, guys. I got the Ordinary serum, this next serum. So they say I'm supposed to use these two together. You don't have to use them together, but she did recommend them, so we gonna see. What else did I get? I got another. Why did I get 2 of this? Oh god, girl, you need to stop spending money. What the hell is this? This must be a gift because I don't remember taking this up. I think the girl just dropped this inside my bag because I did not take this up. This is the exfoliating cleanser. I ain't mad at it. I hope she didn't use my points because I didn't tell her to use my points to get that shit. So I hope she didn't. I got 2. It's a day serum. Whatever this is. This is a what? Day moisture broad serum. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. Okay. She probably see that I needed some skincare, the girl probably saw that I need some help. So she got me some help. It's just a little tester. So we're gonna test this too. But this looks interesting. So we'll see how this do. We'll see how it do. And also what I got a new fragrance for you guys. I do not remember what it's called. But this is from YSL. And girl, this scent right here. This scent is so freaking good. I need to... Where's my phone? All this hair all over my lips. Let me see if I can find it. What it's called. Look at my Sephora card. Did she use my points card? Wait a minute. Did she use my points card? Oh, child. I don't remember her using my points. Like, give me my point. Oh yeah, she did. Okay, so this is the YSL. I'm trying to see which one is it. It's called Mon Paris. I probably did not pronounce that right. Mon Paris perfume. Anyway, so it smells so freaking good. It's like a sweet and a warm scent, so there's no floral scent to it. Just really sweet and soft, and it makes me feel so feminine. Like, I'm wearing it right now, and girl, I just feel so pretty wearing this. It's so freaking good. So this might be my new favorite fragrance. She is doing it. This is the 50 milliliter. So I think it was 128 Canadian dollars for that little ass bottle, but it smells so freaking good. So I am loving that. So I think that's it for unboxing. Skincare products are so freaking expensive, okay? Face product overall is freaking expensive. It's really expensive. I know it doesn't have to be expensive, but I'm so lazy. But yeah, that's it. So, as I said, today we're just gonna chill out. I think I'm gonna do a wig sale this weekend. I'm gonna do a wig sale, so by the time this video gets out, I'm supposed to have that wig sale organized. So I'm gonna probably sell 5 wigs this weekend. I don't like to put out a lot of wigs at a time because, you know, I'm doing it myself. It's wigs that I've tried on, reviewed on my channel. So it wouldn't be like wigs like this that I actually keep for a long time. So wigs like this I never sell. I rather give them away because I actually wear them, so they're worn. But the wigs that I sell aren't worn per se. It's just like taking out the excess lace, gluing it down, and you guys see that I don't even use strong glues like the ghost bound glue because I intend to sell those wigs, so I don't want to get it all gunky and mucky. So I wanted it to feel brand new when I sell it. So the only thing that will show you that it was actually pre-owned is that the lace is cut. So I don't like to do a lot at a time because I'm the one prepping it. So I want to prep it to make sure that, you know, it's presentable, it's together, it's properly washed. I always make sure that it's washed and it's together when I actually sell it. So if I get a wig that I don't feel like is worthy to be sold, so I don't add that in. So I like to do it in small bundles so that I could actually make sure that the wig is presentable to sell. And also I always put the size in the description to make people know that it's one of a kind and it's a particular size because it was for me. So it was for my head size. So if your head size is different from mine, you gotta be mindful of that it won't fit how you need it to fit. So gotta make sure that people that actually buy the wig is actually realize that their head has to be like my head, or unless it's like a headband wig where it doesn't matter. So I need to pick up some wigs that I have that I need to sell. And I have some new nose cuffs that I'm supposed to put on my website. I got some silver nose cuffs. I know a lot of people are asking about silver. I honestly didn't know that people were like silver nose jewelry like that, because I was just thinking to myself, like, I've never actually seen anybody mess around with silver nose jewelry like that, or is it just me? But anyway, so I heard the masses and I got some silver nose cuff coming, so I'm gonna add that to the website. So I actually should do that today. I should actually organize that and check up on the inventory and add that to my website. So we're gonna do that today. We might do that. You guys could see. Maybe not, I don't know, or maybe it could be a surprise, I don't know. So we're gonna do that. So I'm literally just chilling with my dry foot, guys. I didn't even lotion my feet, girl. That's nasty, but you don't look too bad, you know. Y'all can't lie, my foot cute. Talk to me nice, no? Quick with two of them. Nasty. I know some people hate this, but anyways, I'm just talking shit. So anyways, y'all, so I'm gonna chill for a while. I do not want to be late for this 7:30 appointment. God, please help me with time. I'm trying to do better. Lord, I'm trying to do better. Help me. Help me not be late. I have at least 5 hours to not be late. And I'm dead set on not being late today. And that is why I don't want to, like, you know, do too much. I'm gonna shower again before I go, you know, because I need the kitty to be well fresh. I can't be up in the people in my establishment with the stale vagina. So I'm gonna bathe before I go, but I'm gonna make sure that I bathe an hour before I'm supposed to be ready, just so I could be on time. And I think I'm gonna get numbing cream because it's been a while, as I said, and that shit is about to hurt like hell. So anyways, I'm gonna chill out and I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Hey y'all, so I just completed my Fashion Nova try on haul, and it is right now it is 5:30 and my appointment is at 7:30, so we're still on time, you know. So I'm gonna just chill out until it's actually time. So I'm gonna take a quick shower, you know, get myself all the way together again, and then prepare myself. Well, the try on haul was really nice. I feel like you guys will like it, you know, because I would really be into it when I do the try on hauls, if you already know what's up. So this is one of the little outfits that I just tried on, but you guys will see that when it is actually posted. And then I got the bundle of junk over here. So I just be throwing shit in a corner as soon as I try them on. Like, does the lighting look dark? Let me turn up this. Like, girl, you looking hella dark. Okay, there we go. We got a little bit more lighting. Yes, I'm gonna change outfit. Decide what I'm going to wear to this appointment. I'm gonna see if I want to start editing this video, or maybe I should just leave it until later. I don't know, but I'm real hungry too. Like, I just had a little breakfast this morning. That's about it. I didn't eat any lunch, so a girl is hungry, and I'm gonna find me something to eat. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I have about an hour to burn because right now it's 5:43, and I want to leave here like early. So I'm gonna leave at like 6:45. You know, make sure I'm real early so I could actually wait as opposed to missing my appointment, just in case if there's like traffic on the road. But anyway, so I am going to take this hour to read a romance novel. Now, I love me a really good black romance novel, and when I say romance, it's not gonna be like some quirky type of shit, like some unrealistic type of shit. Like, it's the type of books that I read. It's like almost so real, like you can so relate to the characters. So I read like Brenda Jackson type of books. I've been really getting into this author named Kay Shaney, and she's like my favorite author right now. All her books like so bomb. Now I've also been getting into like hood romance. Like, you know, that hood love type of shit. Like, I don't want it for myself, but I like reading about it. But sometimes some books, they be a little bit aggressive with how the men treat the women. So if it's too much toxic behavior, I can't get into the book. I like a little bit of hood vibe, but it still have to be that the guy treats the girl like, you know, super delicate and feminine, but when he's around everybody else, he'd be real gangster, you know. But this book that I'm reading, ooh, my iPad needs to be wiped off, girl. Ew. So this book that I'm reading, let me show y'all the cover. So this is the author that I'm reading, and it's called It Takes More Than Love, and so far the book is so good. I'm at 72%. I started this book last night, so I'm at 72%. I think it's like 300 pages. I'm not even sure. Oh my god, the air fryer is going off. I'm reading that at the moment, and baby, the book is so good. Like, she creates her authors, not her authors, she creates her characters where they are so relatable. The story is engaging, gives you a little bit of drama. Like, I don't like books that are overly dramatic, but she does give you that drama. She does give you that twist, like real life type situations. And it's a urban, what I like to call, when we use, they like to call black novels urban literature, but it's urban literature, so it's a lot of cussing in there too, you know, like a lot of realistic type of ish. Like, that cussing don't mean it has, that makes it real, but it's so relatable. It's not snobby. It's not, oh, she's with a billionaire and, you know, shit is sweet. It's like real life type of people. Like, some are teachers. I even read a book one time about the person being a YouTuber, and I found it so relatable because it was like, isn't this me and Simba in it? Like, how they describe the girl and how they describe the guy and all of that. I need to find that book and reread it because, baby. So anyway, so if you want to know like the type of books that I read, you can go on Goodreads and find me. What's my Goodreads name? My Goodreads name is Chev B. So you can go on Goodreads and see the list of my 2021 books if you are interested. Here it is. So these are the list of books that I've read so far. So I've read 47 books for the year so far. I just stick to 50 because I don't put too much pressure on myself, because I mean, I gotta work, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't got time to sit down all day to read books. Some days I take the full day to, you know, just relax and read a book. But yeah, this is my list, so check it out on Goodreads. The sun is out. Yes, Lord, shine upon me. So yeah, you can go on Goodreads and check out the books that I've read so far for the year. This year I found some really good books. I found some really good new authors that I have been getting into. Like, I feel like I'm giving y'all like some book club type of vibe. I don't even know if y'all interested in all of that. Let me know if y'all interested in stuff like that, because, you know, that's my interest, and I like to put my interest on here so you guys, you know, can see what the wave I am at. So I've been reading this other author called M. Monique. She's really good. Mel Do, or Mel Do, I don't know how to pronounce that. M-E-L, Mel, and D-A-U. Who else have I really been into? Like, I'm going through my list. Now, I read this book from this author called Ray Lacey, or girl, I'm butchering these names, okay? And it's called Saving Sunflower. Like, there's a 2-part book. So there's Saving Sunflower, and then there's the End Game, the Sun, book 2. Y'all should go read that author. That author is new. It's a little bit gangsta. The book is real urban, like this guy is real gangsta, and like, he's in his 20s, and the girl is, I think she's 19. I think he's like 24 or something. I don't know. But she's in college and he's in the streets. And you can just imagine the chaos with all of that. But y'all should go read that. Read that. It's in my book list as well. But anyways, that's it. So I'm going to read my book for the next hour. And then I'm going to go, you know, make sure I'm prepped and ready to get to my appointment on time. So I'm going to check in back with y'all in a little bit. Y'all, I am dressed and ready for my appointment, and I am on time. So I'm wearing the same thing that I had on earlier. Only thing is I changed my top to just a plain black top. And yeah, that's basically it. Nothing special, just a jogger, little sandals, and a black top. I'm gonna just pair that with, or add rather, my little toffee. And that's basically it. I'm on time. Actually, I'm just waiting a little bit, and yeah, your girl probably be on time, even though I was late initially. But we ain't gonna talk about that, okay? We ain't gonna talk about that. So I'm gonna check in with y'all. Let's head to the sugaring appointment. So I made it to my appointment, and I'm early for the first time in my life, and they're not even ready for me. Guys, I'm having bubble guts because I'm so scared of how painful this is gonna be. I want to poo, and I want to do number 2. I need to use the bathroom, or I'm gonna pee on the table if I don't go use the bathroom. I need to find the bathroom because I need to pee real bad. And I peed before I left, but I'm just so nervous, and I'm nervous. I get bubble guts. I didn't get to get the new cream, and it's been months since I've gotten a wax. I mean, I trim the hair, you know what I'm saying? But I haven't had the waxing so long. I'm so scared. I'm so freaking scared, girl. That was so fucking intense. Oh my god. That was so intense. Y'all, so I am back from my appointment. And girl, that was intense. Girl, I have never like jumped so much in my life when it comes to peeing. Like, that session was more painful than getting my tattoo. Like, girl, that was hella intense. And don't book appointments late in the evening because, you know, everybody wants to go home. So, you know, not as gentle as it could have been. Maybe that's why I should have stuck with my daytime appointment at 1. And, you know, it would have been more relaxing. But girl, that was some intense shit right there. Like, my kitty cat mad at me right now. Like, she's mad. I put her through all of that for what? For what? I'm gonna go natural from now on, because girl, that was a lot. That was too much. But one of the funniest moments about when you're getting the wax, especially if you have a big booty, when they get to the booty part. And because she can't hold my butt because it's too big, so, you know, I gotta hold my own butt. You know, I gotta spread them cheeks, and it's just like really funny because, you know, I gotta hold my cheeks up so she can really get into it. She looking real cute though, so I ain't even mad at it. It was worth it. So if you want to get your sugaring, the first time will be a bitch, but the second time, the third time, the more you do it, the less painful it would be. And I recommend it if your pain tolerance is high. Well, not high, medium. And I know a lot of people like to say like the sugaring is less painful than the wax, regular wax, traditional wax. It's a lie. It's just as painful, if not more, because it's pulling, even though they're both pulling here, but the sugaring, it's like you can actually feel the sugar pulling on your hair when they're like doing that layer thing. And baby, you already feel the hair pulling, and then they say deep breath. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna edit some videos tonight, and then we're gonna see what else we're gonna do, and then if not, yeah, I might just check in tomorrow. Hey y'all, so today is Friday. We are at the weekend, and today I had a late start to my day because I did not sleep good at all last night for reasons I do not know. I went to bed like at 1 and I woke up at 5 and I just couldn't go back to sleep. And so I decided to read a little bit, you know, like maybe relax my mind. It didn't work. And then I ended up falling back asleep at 7 and I didn't wake up until 12 in the afternoon. So my day started late. I didn't feel like doing any tutorials today. I was supposed to, but I just wasn't in the mood. So I'm gonna take the day, and I'm looking hella bright in this lighting. The sun is shining on me. Let's turn that down. Okay. I need to, what do I need to do? I need to update the inventory on my website. Also for nose cuffs, I got some silver nose cuffs that I want to add to the website, so I'm gonna do that. So I need to update my websites for wig and nose cuffs. So if you don't know my website, it's Chev B, no, it's not Chev B Sales, it's houseofchevb.com, and I got wigs on there, nose cuffs. I'm gonna actually have like real nose jewelry on there as well. I'm still working on that, working on inventory and design, so that is coming pretty soon. I probably should have that by August. My aim was July, but it didn't happen, so we're gonna do that for August. So I'm just chilling out for now. I haven't eaten all day. I need to stop doing that. It's 4:26 and I haven't eaten all day, but my body is doing fine, so I don't know. You would think how little I eat, I would be, you know, I'm not even big, so I won't even say that. You know, I wouldn't have a stomach, but I eat pretty heavy when I eat. Like, I eat a whole lot when I eat, so maybe, you know, I make up for last time, and my body's just used to it, so I'm just at the size that I'm at. But anyway, so I'm gonna eat lunch and we're gonna watch something. I don't know what we're gonna watch. I feel like I want to watch Married to Medicine. We're gonna watch Married to Medicine. So I'm at the latest season. I'm at reunion part 2. I have to watch it then. AU. Ooh. Is this part 2? Okay, we're gonna watch part 2 of Married to Medicine reunion. I haven't even been into this reunion. I don't know why. I just started watching Married to Medicine like 2 months ago. Like, I binged the whole thing because I'm a Real Housewives type of girl. I watch Real Housewives of Potomac, and Atlanta. So I got into Married to Medicine because, you know, it's back when some of them are doctors, some married to doctors. They got their own businesses and shit, so it's inspiring. Even though they argue and they do the most, but overall, to see black people have that type of wealth and, you know, just everything that you're inspired to be, I like that part. So I like watching stuff like this, and I like a little bit of drama, so it's okay. So yeah, so I haven't been into this reunion. I'm not feeling Quad. I'm not feeling Dr. Heavenly right now. Like, Heavenly's funny, but it's just like, it's not someone that I, like, a personality that I would want to be friends with. And Toya is acting real crazy. Like, is it just me or I miss Mariah? Like, Mariah is annoying, okay? Get me wrong, like, I have a little issue with all of them. Like, I wouldn't have, like, their personality in my friendship group because, no. But I kind of miss Mariah, you know, like the old cast. But yes, anyways, y'all, I'm gonna eat part 1 of my lunch because I ordered 2. Y'all, let me pause real quick. Y'all, so I got jerk pork with festival. Y'all see that? Y'all see that pork though? Jerk pork. I know a lot of people ain't like pork, but the Jamaican in me. spicy. I'm gonna try some water.
So for me, I think there's something deeper that they're both avoiding. And
This next issue again, Quad is all up in these people's thing. And what I'm not getting with Jackie and Simone is that Jackie has changed. Simone to me has been the same throughout, but Jackie definitely has changed. Jackie reminds me of like those sneaky people that are quiet and act like they're nice and, you know, kumbaya, but under everything they're sneaky and they have some dirty ways. So I feel like Jackie, okay, so she hasn't changed. Maybe she's showing who she really is now. Especially I'm not getting her friendship with Heavenly, because it's like if I had to choose between Simone and Heavenly, I would go with Simone. Heavenly just seems erotic and she have a slight obsession, in my opinion, with Jackie. Like she has an obsession. Like I can see that. So it's like they also said that if the show ever came between their friendship, Jackie and Simone, from a 20+ year friendship, they would leave the show. Y'all relationship is not looking good right now, but y'all still on the show, and I don't think they're gonna leave. So it's like they make the show and the insert of Dr. Heavenly into their friendship cause it to fail. Because I can think of my own best friend. She lives in Jamaica, I live here. We have our subgroups, sub-friends, all of that, but nobody would be equal to the type of friendship that we have, to be like, oh, I love this friend or value this friend as equally as much as I value you, after everything that we've been through and our friendship is tight. Like, I would like to say I'm not jealous of my friendships, because I'm not, but you cannot compare a 5-year relationship with a 20-year+ relationship with a friend. Like, it's just not comparable, period. So it is about 8 p.m. and Simba is forcing me to go to the gym. Okay, forcing me against my will. The gyms are open, and you know, I need to get my body right and tight. Y'all see how hard I'm breathing right now? Like, I be out of breath just going up and down the stairs or just walking flat. Okay, so I know I need to get back in shape. Home workouts are fun, but for me, it hasn't been the most effective. So we're going to the gym, and I'm gonna try to do an everyday type of workout. I'm gonna try running in the morning and then gym at nighttime. Excuse the mess over here. That's my clothes from the clothing haul that I did yesterday, so they're like still over there. But anyway, so this is our gym fit. I got my AirPods right here for now, so I don't forget them once I leave the house. We're doing Nike, okay, and we're doing Ivy Park for Adidas. The Beyonce's right there. You feel me? This was from the second Ivy Park release and all of that. You know, the booty be looking real nice. So I don't think I'm gonna take you guys today with me in the gym, because I want to get myself mentally prepared and focused while I'm there. So
she don't want y'all to see her running 10 minutes on a treadmill and then going
I'm already out of breath. Simba, that's disgusting.
Wait, I told you see, you could have been doing a couple laps around the basketball court with me, but you refused. And now when you step back in the gym, you'd have been, you know, up to par. But that your fault. Detroit Bad Boys. We got a #1 pick in the draft. Kate Cunningham. Detroit basketball. I know that ain't relevant, but still, y'all gonna know. This is gonna be a nice year for me. I can watch every Pistons game. I can go to Detroit for a couple Pistons games. Chev gonna come to me to Detroit with a couple Pistons games. She actually wear Detroit Pistons jersey, because you gonna like what I like, the way. Yo, you see yesterday, right? They had this girl on Twitter. She was looking for wigs. right? So she's like, I should try wigs for the first time. And I was like, well, if you're looking for tips, like I could put you on because, yeah, I mean, I've been a student of this wig business. So I had a whole lengthy conversation with her about, you know, why I recommend headband wigs for beginners because of the convenience, how easy it is to put on. You're not going, proper install and things like that, you know what I mean? And it's easy on the edges because you're not gluing nothing down, so you can just grab and go convenient. And she was like, what type of hair what website I recommend? I was like, first sis, you gotta tell me what type of texture hair you're looking for. Like, you know what I mean? You got all kind of human hair. You got Peruvian, they got Malaysian, they got Blasian, Brazilian, they got all that. Yeah, you know what I mean? You got kinky curly, deep wave, bottle wave. You gotta tell me you gotta give me some specifics, you know what I mean? And then I showed the whole intro and everything. Then I also told her that, Chev B got her own wig line with My First Wigs. Check it out if you haven't checked it out already. My First Wigs, so Chev B wig line. You wanna see the wig? But I talking too much.
We got to go. So after all of that, I'm gonna check in with y'all later, okay? Bye-bye. Spicy. I'm out of breath. So we're back from the gym. And let me just say, first day back in the gym, I was so nauseous. I couldn't get through my workout. I only did 40 minutes out of an hour and 50 minutes. So eventually my body will get adjusted to the idea of working out. But the first day, I want to throw up. I want to gag. My body's not used to all that work. So that was that. And yeah, it's Friday night, the end of our week vlog. And yeah, that's it for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Remember to spam the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @damnthatschev. And that is all that I have for you guys for this lovely vlog. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me